Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Veryable app, a gig work platform that connects independent workers with on-demand shifts in industries like manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution. The app is designed to help people find flexible work opportunities based on their schedule, location, and skill set. Once you create a profile in the app, you can view and claim available shifts in your area. Each shift listing shows the pay rate, job duties, duration, and requirements. After claiming a shift, you can use the app to check in and out, receive instructions, and stay in touch with the facility. Many users appreciate the pay transparency and the variety of skilled and unskilled roles offered. Pros include high pay potential for skilled labor, clear shift details before accepting, a flexible schedule you control, and access to specialized roles like machine operation or quality inspection. The app is especially useful if you're in a metro area where partner facilities post shifts regularly. Cons include limited availability in rural regions, strong competition for popular or high-paying shifts, the physical demands of many jobs, and inconsistent scheduling that depends on daily facility needs. While Veryable offers great opportunities for skilled workers, it may not be ideal for those seeking guaranteed daily work or remote options. If you don't understand something or have any questions, please refer to the email address stated in the description. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video.